Hey everyone, welcome back to PassFab channel. There are several iPhone problems that can feel like a digital nightmare. For instance, being completely locked out of your iPhone. Whether it's a forgotten passcode, a disabled screen, or a stubborn Apple ID activation lock, it can leave you feeling frustrated. But what if I told you there's a single powerful piece of software that can handle all of these issues? In this video, we're going to talk about what many consider the best iPhone unlock software on the market, PassFab iPhone Unlock. So, what makes this tool so special? First, it's an all-in-one solution. Unlike some methods that only work for passcodes or only work if Find My is off, PassFab iPhone Unlock is designed to bypass four major types of locks: your screen passcode, your Apple ID or iCloud activation lock, your MDM or corporate restrictions, and even your screen time passcode. That's a wide range of problems solved by one program. The process is very straightforward. After downloading and installing the software on your computer, use the link in the description below. You simply launch it. You'll be presented with these clear options. For this demo, let's say we're dealing with a forgotten screen passcode. We'd select Unlock iOS Screen. You then connect your locked iPhone via a USB cable. The software provides easy on-screen instructions to guide you into putting your device into recovery mode, which is a necessary step for the process to work. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode and detected by the software, it will automatically identify your iPhone model and download the correct firmware package it needs. This is an important step that ensures compatibility. After the download is complete, you just click Start. Now, a very important warning. This process will erase all data on your device. This is a security feature of iOS itself. PassFab iPhone Unlock gets to work, wiping the device and removing the passcode entirely. In just several seconds to a few minutes, your iPhone will restart and be right back at the Hello setup screen, completely unlocked and ready to be set up as new. The same general principle applies to bypassing an iCloud activation lock or removing iOS screen time lock, making it a lifesaver if you bought a used phone or forgot the credentials to an old device. The interface is user-friendly, and the steps are completely easy to follow. So, if you're looking for the most comprehensive and reliable software to unlock your iPhone, PassFab iPhone Unlock is a top-tier choice. If this review was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.